Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Fetch.Ai. I wanted to do a video on that. A lot of you requested it. And it's also kind of a beacon of light right now in the crypto markets. It's like most cryptos right now are actually quite bearish. Like if you take a look at this, last 24 hours, most cryptos have had a bit of a pullback. One of the big gainers is still Fetch.Ai, all right? It's still doing great. Right now you can see yesterday it broke above this level here at 45 cents. And just in general, it seems that like a lot of the AI tokens are actually still performing very well. I mean, AI is still the strongest narrative, obviously, since the start of this year in crypto. Fetch.Ai on its own, I mean, it also has some great backing. I know that there are some great market makers and funds behind Fetch.Ai. It has a very strong community also on crypto Twitter. So all of those aspects, in combination with Fetch.Ai being one of the best AI projects, one of the oldest, one of the most sophisticated projects, leads me to believe that that's the reason for this bullish momentum that we're seeing. Even when Bitcoin has not always been bearish. I mean, has not always been bullish today. I mean, even today, like Bitcoin isn't that bearish, but every time it moves down a little bit, altcoins move together with it. And Fetch.Ai seems to kind of be immune to that. Like I said, I mean, purely technically it broke above 45 cents. On the daily time frame, if you take a look at that, we're getting towards this major resistance level at 50 cents. Big psychological level as well. And really the level after that is probably 55 cents still as a price target, but like 60, 62 cents are levels we can start talking about as well. It's, yeah, Fetch.Ai just is very bullish. Now, if you take a look at the open interest, it's amazing as well. Here you can also see like it goes up in these spikes, which leads me, like usually when it goes up in those spikes, that means that there are some big buyers behind the price. So I do expect Fetch to at some point of time really get a big pullback, but for now that doesn't look likely yet. For a really big pullback, I would also say like that could only happen if Bitcoin really pulls back a lot. Like if Bitcoin pulls back to 34,000, then Fetch might actually fall together with that. But for now, it still looks very bullish. Like there's nothing, there's nothing happening right now which would prevent Fed from going up to 50 cents. So that's what I expect. I don't necessarily expect it to break through that level instantly, but if it gets to that level, finds resistance, and then holds 45 cents as support, for example, then it is a possibility that it breaks through later and gets up to 55 cents, given that the market stays relatively stable. So yeah, overall, I'm bullish on Fetch. I think we can get some more bullish momentum, then some stability, and then as long as the markets are still strong, a continuation up to 55 cents. That's what I expect. Now, like I said, I mean, I must say that with this, the open interest is very bullish, but you can see that it spikes. So what is the case is that sometimes these manipulators, or at least big traders, sometimes they push the price up that much and then make a lot of money by selling into liquidation areas, for example. So right now there's actually not, like there's some liquidity up here at 0.5 for Fetch. There was quite a lot of liquidity at 46 cents. They took that. So yeah, I mean, what I'm trying to say is be careful, all right? At some point of time, this is going to stop and it's going to pull down hard. If Bitcoin gets some bearish momentum today because of, I don't know, ETF news, whatever, then that could be a catalyst which could make Fetch pull back a little bit more. So be careful, all right? It looks very bullish right now, both technically and fundamentally, but that will not always be the case. So those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on Fetch.Ai for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And apart from that, if you're interested in Signals or my premium group, check them out via the links down in the description or the comments, pinned comment. There you can read more about it, what it is, what it entails, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.